Oh, she's eating a piece of papaya. That's Belle. That's one of the new babies that we got a couple weeks ago. And she's a good little girl.
She's so sweet.
We got her along with Bingo. And now Bingo and Barbie are living together in one cage, and Belle and Buddy are living in the other cage.
Why don't you put Bingo out and maybe he'll eat some of this on the back of the cushion.
That's Buddy under the couch there. See, notice how skinny it is? See? Buddy, come on out, scaredy cat. Come on out, scaredy cat. There he is. Hey there, little boy. Whoop. Hey, little Bingo boy. How are you doing? What are you doing over there? Come on out and play.
What, fishing? Here we go.
Hey, Bingo boy. Where you going? Come here. Bingo. See, he's lighter.
Stinkies on me.
Bingo.
Somebody's got stinkies on me.
Oops. Fell down. Now what's that you just fed Barbie?
That's glider candy.
Mm.
It's a yogurt drop. They love that. Yeah, you'll come out for this.